Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well in your world because all is well in my world. So today I wanted to come on here to just do my 2 meal a day. This is what I had today. This is going to be cream of shrimp with peas. That's it. Just cream and shrimp with peas. Oh, actually, and I did a little bit of shredded carrots. Now, even though on keto they recommend that you don't do a lot of carrots, but you'll see the small amount of carrots where it's not even a small baby carrot, like a whole baby carrot. So I just wanted to put something extra in there because anytime I can throw in extra vegetables, I like doing that. So we are just going to cook this really quick. The reason why I do a lot of shrimp and cream recipes is because it's so easy and delicious. I'm telling you guys, garlic and tomato and white wine and cream will make anything taste good, especially seafood. So I love to cook with garlic, white wine, Italian seasoning, oregano, and like I said, heavy cream. Oh, you got yourself a meal here. So let's get on into this video. This is my first meal of the day. Okay, you guys, so here is my second meal of the day. I am just going to saute some shrimp and mushrooms inside of my Southwest seasoning that I love. I have got to find more of this seasoning. This is like my favorite seasoning this week. So I'm going to saute it with my Southwest seasoning, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Now let's get on into the rest of the video. right, you guys, this is going to be the end of this video. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.